Picture this: crispy golden fries, tender juicy steak, or warm, freshly baked bread, all prepared without the guilt of excess oil or the hassle of a clunky oven. The Whuto 6.2 Quart Air Fryer Oven is your kitchen's new best friend, blending innovative technology with intuitive design to deliver healthier, faster, and tastier meals. Whether you're a busy parent juggling dinner prep, a health-conscious foodie craving guilt-free indulgence, or a home cook eager to experiment, this air fryer unlocks a world of culinary possibilities. Let's explore why the Whuto 6.2 Quart Air Fryer is a game-changer, diving into its standout features, real-world benefits, and why it's winning over kitchens everywhere. The Whuto 6.2 Quart Air Fryer isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Its sleek stainless steel and black finish adds a modern touch to any countertop, while its generous 6.2 quart capacity makes it ideal for families, meal preppers, or dinner party hosts. What truly sets this air fryer apart is its incredible versatility, boasting 17 cooking functions that cater to every taste, from crispy drumsticks to perfectly baked desserts. By using up to 85% less oil than traditional frying, it delivers all the flavor you love with a fraction of the fat, making it a must-have for wellness-focused cooks. Why the Whuto 6.2 Quart Air Fryer stands out? Unmatched cooking versatility. With 17 functions, including 8 healthy recipes: fries, bread, vegetables, steak, drumsticks, fish, shrimp, thaw, and 5 assist modes: air fry, bake, keep warm, reheat, DIY. This air fryer tackles everything from quick snacks to gourmet dishes. The DIY mode lets you fine-tune time and temperature for custom recipes. Healthier cooking made easy. Thanks to its top-down airflow system and powerful 1600-watt motor, this air fryer requires minimal preheating and transforms frozen ingredients into golden perfection in minutes. It uses 85% less fat than traditional frying, so you can enjoy your favorite foods guilt-free. Intuitive and convenient. The LED digital touchscreen and easy-to-use knobs make setting the timer 1 to 60 minutes and temperature 175 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit a breeze. A memory function lets you pause cooking by removing the basket and resume seamlessly, perfect for checking progress or tossing ingredients. Effortless cleanup. Forget scrubbing greasy pans. The non-stick, BPA and PFOA-free basket and detachable parts are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a snap. Built for safety, features like overheating protection, automatic shutoff, and non-slip feet ensure worry-free operation, giving you peace of mind while cooking. Maximized cooking space. The square basket design offers more cooking area than round models, letting you prepare larger portions, ideal for family dinners or batch cooking. Reliable support. Whuto backs this air fryer with a 12-month guarantee and lifetime customer support, promising responses to inquiries within 24 hours. Real-world benefits that shine. The Whuto 6.2 Quart Air Fryer excels in everyday life. For busy professionals, its quick preheat and preset functions mean dinner is ready in minutes, not hours. Health-conscious cooks rave about the reduced oil usage, which aligns with wellness goals while preserving flavor. Families love the spacious basket, which can handle everything from a whole chicken to a tray of roasted veggies. Plus, it keeps your kitchen cool on hot days, unlike a traditional oven. One happy user shared, "From crispy chicken tenders to perfectly roasted vegetables, everything comes out amazing." A few considerations. The Whuto 6.2 Quart Air Fryer is a stellar performer, but there are a couple of points to keep in mind. Its 6.2 quart size may require more counter space than smaller models, so check your kitchen setup before purchasing. Some users note that the fan can be slightly audible, though it's not loud enough to disrupt cooking or conversation. These minor trade-offs pale in comparison to the air fryer's overall performance and versatility. Why it's a smart investment. The Whuto 6.2 Quart Air Fryer offers premium features at a budget-friendly price, making it a standout against pricier competitors. Its durable stainless steel construction and 12-month warranty ensure long-lasting value, while its ease of use and health-focused design make it a kitchen essential. Whether you're upgrading from an older air fryer or trying one for the first time, this model delivers convenience, flavor, and peace of mind. It's no surprise that it's a favorite among home cooks and food enthusiasts. Elevate your kitchen today. Don't let unhealthy meals or time-consuming cooking hold you back. The Whuto 6.2 Quart Air Fryer empowers you to create delicious, nutritious dishes with minimal effort. From crispy fries to tender shrimp, every meal becomes a masterpiece. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.